wachak weche manyien nyakora Ramogi jonko medo kanyo ni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto bende koro otelo e keto kogno e winjruok mano e kind piny Kenya kod pinje mantiere bwo riwruok mano ma jo Arabu mano bende kantiere kar kanyo kata riwruok no mano mara pinje go mantiere pinje mag Ingereza kairango kanyo safar mar keto winjruok makamago bende chakore odiochieng' ma kawuono. Kenya koro biro mano yudo thuolo mar timo ohala ne chirni mago mag EU mago maonge osuru mapek e kind pinje maoko bende mantiere kar kanyo kod pachoka iwacho ne oganda marirom milion 1 e pinje 20 kod 7 mago mag jo Arabu.
Today's milestone also represents a giant step forward for the East African community partners because, as my good friend has said, this agreement just sets the stage for finally bringing the East African community partner states into the agreement. And I have also issued instructions to Moses that, and I want to commit to our EU friends, that by you signing this agreement with Kenya, we also commit that we will work with our East African partner states, we will work with the 28 African states that are members of the tripartite free trade agreement so that we can bring them on board this agreement subsequently. And hopefully we can also take this all the way to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area so that we can build a bigger market, build a bigger consensus, and be able to do more with the populations that exist between Europe and Africa.
I look forward now to move as quickly as possible to signature and successful implementation of this agreement so that our people and economies can begin feeling its benefits.